Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? So today's topic is other types of algebraic expressions. In previous two videos we did algebraic expressions and then we did the types of algebraic expressions, in which we covered monomial, binomial and polynomial. And today we are going to do the other types, means other than monomial, binomial and polynomial algebraic expressions. So basically there are two more types of algebraic expressions, that are numeric expressions and variable expressions. Okay, so let us see first numeric expressions. So the definition is: a numeric expression consists of numbers and operations but never include any variable. Some of the examples of numeric expressions are 34 plus 15, 21 divided by 7, etc. Okay, so students, as it is obvious from the name that numeric expressions will include only the numerals. Numeral means numbers. So only numbers will be included in them, in numeric expressions, numbers. And obviously if we want it to be an expression, then we have to include operations, means plus, minus, division or multiplication. Okay, these four operations can be included, and numbers will also be the part of numeric expressions. So numbers plus operations, okay, and it will make numeric expression. Examples are given here: 34 plus 15, 21 divided by 7. You may say 5 multiplied by 10, or 100 minus 90. These two are also numeric expressions. Okay, so the next one is variable expressions. Now variable expressions, what are the variable expressions? It is obvious from the name again that variables will be included in them. Along with variables there can be coefficients, and then there will be operations as well. Okay, let us read the definition now. A variable expression is an expression that contains variables along with numbers and operation to define an expression. A few examples of a variable expression include 4x plus y, 5ab plus 33. Okay, so this is like normal algebraic expression. Okay, but to differentiate between numeric and variable, we are specifying it as a variable expression, because in numeric expression only numbers will be included and operations will be included, and in variable expression normally, as we know, there are numbers like, means constants like 33 here, and then variables like a, b, and then coefficient with them, this 5ab plus 33. This is the example of variable expression. It can also be called, normally it is called what? Algebraic expression. Okay, so because here variables are included and then numbers are included, and this 5 is the coefficient. If it was ab plus c, no, sorry, wait, if this example was like this, 10 plus 2, this will be called numeric expression, numeric. And if it is like 10a plus 2, it will become variable expression, because here variable is included in it. So simply, as simple as that, if only numbers are included in operations, then it will be numeric expression. Otherwise, if variable is included, then it will be called variable expression. So this is it for today's lecture. Only two types, other than before those we covered monomial, binomial, these monomial, binomial, polynomial, these three we covered. These are three main types of algebraic expressions. These we covered in the previous video. And other than these three types, two more types are here of algebraic expressions, which we have covered today: numeric expression and variable expression. Okay, so I hope you now have clear idea about numeric expression, variable expression. But still, if you have any query or question, You can always ask me in the comment section. I'm always available here to answer your queries. Take care. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.